Right, back on the road again after my catastrophic number plate or 3D printed number plate bracket failure. Hopefully I fixed it now, and it wasn't too bad to do really. Right, welcome back to the channel. I fixed my number plate bracket. It turned out alright. It just looks so much better. The standard one is down here somewhere. I know it's a minor thing, but it's just horrible. Don't like it. So I thought as a test, this lane is quite bumpy. And hopefully it's not going to fail straight away, if at all. That's the plan. As you know, doesn't always go as planned, does it? I thought this is a quick and easy one. It's a bit late in the day, it's nearly lunchtime now. But this is convenient once I'm over this way. Excuse me. See if anyone else is about. It'd be nice to follow someone up, see what they make of it, see if there's any better ways of doing some of these things. How about that? That is so weird. I literally stopped for a drink and there he is. Now, careful for what you wish for, because I'm going to be eating his dust. He's probably got much bigger wheels than I have. He's probably going to have an easier time of it. Roosts is another thing. If he guns it, I'm right in the line of fire. This way, mate. Here we go. Thinking about it, you probably didn't even know I was there actually, because you're not going to hear this over that, are you? But when we get to these open bits, I guarantee you'll be coming past. Come on. Gone very quiet all of a sudden. I don't know if he's right behind me or stop. That's the thing. Yup. How you doing?
I'm good, good. I just wondered if you know more trails.
Round here?
Well, I was going to go back that way, head up towards the Elan Valley, and there's one that goes along the side of the river.
There, yeah, there's towards Clear when you're in.
I can't know. You go through the farmer's yard.
That's it.
And you follow it round and the gate and the water.
That's it, yeah.
Up onto the reservoir.
Whew. Nice little ride out, meeting some people. Quite a nice one, really. Quite a long chat with the fella at the top there. Well, I'm starving hungry now. Went out for probably an hour longer than I was meant to be. On my way home, get some dinner, load the bike up and drive home. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this one. We'll see. Oh, I better check to see if my number plate's still there. Yes, it is. So that seems to have worked. Happy days. That was the whole point in coming out, just to see if that would fall off. But it seems to be alright, so hopefully you can draw a line through that. However, funnily enough, the guy I was speaking to, he's a welder. It's a commercial welder, so got some tips and tricks on how to weld aluminium, or try, being it's Chinesium. But however, hopefully you enjoy this one. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.